Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Roxy Tyrell, and today we have another video. This video I will be showing you guys how I tie-dye my face mask. As you know, the entire world is going under the crisis. Okay, you guys, so if you don't know, you must be living under a rock, but face mask has became a part of our day-to-day wardrobe right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie-dye my face mask. So I could only find 2 white face masks right now, so I will be using those 2. So yeah, the dye of your choice. I'm using RIT. I had this one couple years now. I got at Walmart for like $4.99. I use it to dye my lace wigs. I'm sorry. So I got this. So this one is denim blue. We have royal blue. Well, we have navy blue, purple, aquamarine, cherry red. I'm gonna use this, and we have teal. You also gonna need some dish soap. I fuck with Dawn, so I'm using Dawn. You need an item that you will be tie-dyeing. Ooh, you like my nails? Cute, huh? So I have a face mask right here. I just crumble it up and rubber band it. Then I have another face mask. I will wet that soon. You will need elastic band. You will need some form of bottle or container to distribute the dye onto the actual thing that you will be dyeing. I'm gonna use some water bottle. I am cheap, yes ma'am. So yeah, just give me one moment. Okay, so yeah, now with these I'm gonna go ahead and bore some holes in. So with the water bottle cover, I'm gonna bore some holes on them. Oh, and you guys, you will need gloves also. So yeah, if you don't want to damage your nails or your fingers, you need gloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and tip a little bit of Dawn in each bottle. Then I'm gonna add some salt because it said it requires salt also, or vinegar. So it's optional with the salt or vinegar. Okay, you guys, so also I forgot to mention, you do need gloves, paper towel to see the consistency or the consistency or the shade of the color. So yeah, so I'm just gonna tip a little bit of salt in here. Oh no, I'm just pouring, you know what I'm saying? Then the same thing for the other bottle. Nothing. Listen, I'm Jamaican, baby. I don't measure nothing. Okay, so here we have both bottles. No, I'm not boiling any water because I don't want to waste nothing. Me, I gonna use some water. I'm gonna put some water in one cup and put it in the microwave. So for this, I'm gonna use 1 cup. It do have a protective layer on top, so that's cool. Oh no, I got it on my nails. See, you guys? Well, it came right off. Well, let me go ahead and put my gloves on. But there are people here that do this, because I don't want to do it in my yard to mess it up. For nasty up my house. No, girl. So I'm going to use 1 cup. So this is it. 1 cup. And I'm going to dump it in here. And I'm only doing the mask red. You want a red shirt? Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 cups. Half red and half white? I don't want red and blue. Make up your mind, fine. Okay. Now I'm going to use royal blue. I'm gonna use 2 of. I'm actually use 4 of the royal blue because I'm actually gonna put it on a shirt. I don't know, y'all. We just gonna make it do what it do. Now with these, with the items that you will be tie-dyeing, make sure they're wet. Then I'm gonna crumble it up. Hey, you guys, so I went ahead and did this also. Oh, you can't see. I went ahead and do this. I'm gonna do a shirt in this color and a mask also. So yep. Okay, you guys, so I can't find one of the masks, so I'm pretty sure it's wrapped up in one of these shirt. I have dye on my hand already, so I'm like, oh, it's whatever. So I'm gonna start with the tan first. I'm gonna just shake this bad boy up. I did put hot water on it. It feels like it's gonna psh a little bit on me. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take a knife and bore a hole in here. Oh Lord, that's not a hole. That is not a hole. Now I'm gonna test it. I don't even know which one is the blue, but I'm pretty sure this is not the blue. That's the tan. So I'm gonna put it in this bag so I could separate it a little bit. And let's go. So this is one of the masks. Super cute. I am surprised I did this. So I had to re-dye this because right here was super white and I didn't want that. So I had to redo it. So here's the other one. I haven't washed them as yet. So yeah. But it's gonna take forever because I'm actually doing laundry right now. So this is what this one looks like. Listen, I don't know what type of see, I got white right here, but it's cool, it's still cute or whatever. But what was I gonna say? I don't remember what I was gonna say, but cute. But I did get some blue on here. But I mean, it's cool or whatever. Ain't nobody gonna be staring in my face like that. Super cute. Super duper duper cute. I love it. But I think when I wash it, it's gonna, fade a little bit. But you see how the white right here is supposed to be white and it's like pink? Next time, or I'm gonna order the non-transfer thing, so when you put it on there, the color doesn't bleed anymore. So I'm gonna order that so I could use it, because yes, I will be doing more. Blue, which is dope as hell. I love it. Like, but I love it. Oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna say now. You know how they do talk about crimple or crimble? Listen, girl, I just swish, swish, swash. That's what it's looking like, so I love it. This is my fave. Oh no, I got some blue on it, but I mean, oh, I got red in it too, girl. I mean, it's cute. Like I said, nobody gonna use a magnifying glass to see what's up. Super cute. So this is it for my tie and dye video. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna order some sweatpants and a sweatshirt so I could do like a full set with some mask also. So yeah, stay tuned for that.